Tesla down another 3.64% today. And while we still remain bullish going into 2025 on Tesla, simply because the monthly is showing still a confirmed expansion as well as the weekly, the daily chart has been looking weak since December 18th. You can see the BX back here ends up breaking out. We flip from dark red to light red. This is our first indication that buyers are stepping into the market before it starts to make higher highs and show bright green each and every single day. In this expansion, this is what we would have looked to play and eventually closed our trade out here on December 18th. From this point, we are expecting price to come back down and make a higher low as it has, push back up to make a lower high. This lower high and not breaking out into a higher high is normally the indication that this sideways compression into a support level is most likely going to continue to happen before the breakout. So I'm still expecting Tesla to break out again at least up to $500 in the coming months, but it doesn't mean the stock has to continue to go up. Yesterday, we saw price hit a high of $425, pulling back down to close around $410. I was expecting a follow through today, maybe to highs of 425 or 440, but once again, we were going to expect lower highs as we move back down into our institutional buy zone between 350 to 375 and an absolute low of about $340. And so far, it seems like this is what's going to happen. And that's why I removed my aggressive bullish stance on Tesla and instead started to sell cash secured puts down around 350, 360, and this 340 area. All within here is a great area to sell cash secured puts because in a worst case scenario, price continues to sell off. You end up buying the shares at $350 and you get paid in the interim. If you want to learn how to trade cash secured puts, we have a free masterclass that just came out this week. I highly recommend you check it out because that's a lot of what I'm doing in the market right now until this BX flips back from red to green and we confirm the breakout. So in the interim, what do we do? Well, as I said, I'm looking to sell cash secured puts because it's a bullish approach with limited downside, but also capping with limited upside. If I was somebody who didn't want to do that, the best course of action here is to wait for the BX to start to make higher lows again on the daily chart, or wait for price to pull back down into this $350 level. So heading into the rest of the week, I will continue with the same exact thesis that we've had for the past couple of weeks. We'll remain bullish. We will pull our aggressiveness off the table, focus only on selling safe cash secured puts. And then once the bottom is in and confirmed, we can remove our conservative bullish approach and go back to a more aggressive approach, trading directional call options and shares. I hope this video helped. If you guys want to get access to all of our courses and lectures completely free, teaching you everything that I know about trading, as well as all of our indicators, the link will be in the description. Thank you for all support. I'll see you tomorrow.